Okay, this door is not latching in the open position, or it's not latching and locking in the closed position. I'm going to show you how to do that adjustment. Now checking it from the inside to see what the problem is. It's obviously not square to the receiving jamb. The reveal is off. You see how there's daylight here versus nothing. Now what we're going to do to fix this problem is adjust the wheel with a manual screwdriver. Clockwise, and from what I can see, we're going to have to do about 3 or 4 full rotations. Lift up it, take the weight off the wheel cart so you don't strip out the screw. And this was pretty far out. As well as this door, when it was low, it was not holding the door in the closed position. It was letting it go by. So that'll stay in the open position once I adjust this wheel cart. Okay, that problem is fixed. Let's see what our reveal looks like. About 2 more rotations clockwise, we'll lift that up. If you can't get your reveal perfect with one wheel cart, you might have to lower the other side to get a good reveal. 1 more rotation I think would be good. Now that I've done my adjustments on both of my wheels, I've got the reveal equal the space between the door and the receiving jamb. A good way of adjusting your latch to line up with your door catch is a piece of tape. And what I do is I put a piece of tape at the halfway mark of the door jaws. As you can see, I've already put the tape on there, and I have removed the tape around the jaws. Now I'm going to line up this line here that's in the center of our door jaw catch with the catch here. As you can see, it's off. I'll loosen the bottom screw completely and loosen this very little bit so I can tap it up or down. Okay. Tighten that. Tighten that. Let's double check it before we close it so we don't damage it. That lines up perfect. Now it should latch with no problem. Okay, now that I've done all my adjustments to my wheel carts, the door before was not latching in the open position, which now it is. As well as it wasn't latching closed or locking, which now it is. This was all done by adjusting the bottom wheel carts with a manual Phillips screwdriver on the port and starboard side of each door. Clockwise brings the door up, counterclockwise brings the door down. Another thing, the same process can be done to this outer door. It has the same wheel carts, and you would do the same positioning with the tape and adjusting the wheel carts